Alright, so my project is called the Dancer's Canvas, and it utilizes the Kinect sensor as well as Pygame in order to allow users to both create abstract paintings, learn new dance positions, as well as test their drawing skills, all by dancing in front of the Kinect sensor. So my project has three main features: the freestyle feature, the gallery, and the challenge feature. Um, let's go ahead and start with the freestyle feature. So in this feature, users will dance in front of the Kinect, and as they dance, the program will draw lines that correspond to their movements, eventually creating an abstract painting. So the first thing you have to do after clicking on the freestyle button is choose a color palette and a time limit for how long you want to dance for. You guys may not be able to hear it in this video, but as soon as you start dancing, the program plays a song in the background. And once your time is up, you can raise your right hand above your head and your painting will be saved to whichever folder the Python files for my project are saved in. And you can also raise your left hand above your head if you want to start over. All right, now let's move on to the gallery. All right, so the gallery contains a list of basic dance positions that the user can click on. And when a position is clicked on, the user is shown a diagram that shows how the position should be properly executed. And it's recommended that the users who wish to use the challenge feature review the gallery before doing so, as their knowledge of the positions will be tested throughout the game. So finally, we have the challenge feature. This feature is a two-player game in which one player will be given an object to draw while the other player has to guess what that object was. The game is very similar to Pictionary. Another aspect of this game is that periodically throughout the levels, the player drawing the image is presented with a dance position that they can execute in order to gain extra time. Once this player is done drawing, the other player will have the opportunity to guess what image they were trying to draw. So this is kind of like a leaderboard that keeps track of how many images each player guessed correctly, and at the end displays the winner of the game. All right, and those are all the basics of my project, the Dancer's Canvas. Thanks.